Congratulations to Rinaldi Tile and Marble for their NTCA 5-Star Project of the Year Community Impact Award for the Watsonville Brilliante project. Watsonville Brilliante is a community empowerment project with 12,500 square feet of community fabricated mosaics on a parking garage. 80% of the mosaics were designed and fabricated by local youth from donated tiles. The project was completed in under 5 years with 9 separate phases. Rinaldi Tile and Marble donated all of the installation labor to this project and worked with materials donated by manufacturers in the industry. The project used tiles that did not fit any tile industry standard, so this made planning essential. Tiles ranged in size from quarter by quarter to 6 inch by 12 inch, and thickness varied from quarter inch to a strong 3/8 inch, which led to varying grout joints and figuring out how to assemble off-site, transport, and install. Luckily, the Rinaldi team was involved early, so they were able to understand the design priorities and the image designs to determine how to break up the murals and keep the integrity of the design. Once installed, grouting was a slow and careful process due to the different thicknesses and grout joint sizes. As with all tile projects, grout will make or break a good installation. Here, it pulled the mosaic together, allowing for members of the public to enjoy for generations to come.